I was on my way to shop. Window shopping is usually my game, but I definitely need to get some lighter clothing than even the hiking stuff that I brought. So I think a lot of that's gonna go in the garbage, and I'm gonna replace a lot of what I own. But let me show you what I stumbled onto right now. I think this is just how it's gonna be. You go out for a walk, and this is kind of what happens. Look at how beautiful that is. It's my first temple. Wow. What a life. I'm getting my first foot and leg massage for $5.89 for an hour. I still think I overpaid, but I wanted to get one today because I'm going on a walking tour tomorrow and see somebody behind me getting a massage. I just left my 1 hour foot massage. That was wonderful. $5.89, I think it was. I'm confused on the tipping. I read so many things about tipping before I got here, but there's tip jars everywhere. So I'm tipping. So I tipped the massage lady. She kind of looked at me weird when I handed her money, so I'm not sure if I was supposed to or not. But I did it anyhow. I'd rather tip and not need to than vice versa. There's a temple here. I'm not sure on some of these if I'm just allowed to go in or not. Well, let me know your thoughts below on the tipping. Obviously, if there's a tip jar, then it's easy. But if there's not a tip jar and it's for services, then I don't know. All right, that's my thought on that. But I feel pretty amazing. I've never gone and just gotten a foot massage for a whole hour, foot and calves. Man, they need to have somebody at the trailheads doing those. And I was so inflamed from the traveling. I should have done it in Bangkok and did another one here. That's what I should have done. But anyhow, for now, I'm feeling really good. I'm gonna head back towards the hotel for a few hours, and then we're gonna go to the night market tonight. Oh, how cute is it? All right, let me turn you around and show you a little bit about where I'm walking right now, okay? All right, well, thank God my hotel had umbrellas because I was gonna pick one up and I hadn't picked one up yet. There's a little spirit house here. So funny because there's like blue sky, and then there's just this one little spot that has like a little cloud over me. I'm gonna come back and see that. I don't know if I could just go in there from the... I don't know if I could just go in there from that side entrance, but we'll go back and see that. I'm just like getting my feet wet. I don't know if I need to put my cover on my backpack or not. Washing machines if they're closed. Alright. I'm gonna go stand right here. Here we are, the very busy street. Chiang Mai, and there's I'm not sure if it's a river or a canal. I'll put it up on the screen. Still raining a little bit. It's busy. I had to cross up there and I didn't die. Alright, so we're heading back down the alley that I came getting out to the main street. It's amazing how quickly it gets quiet when you just turn a corner with all that crazy out there. So I know somebody had commented and said, are you going to do some walking videos? And absolutely, I'm going to. The Raming Lodge and Hotel right there. Raming. It looks really nice. This whole area that I'm in is really nice, and it's nice because it's just a 5-minute walk. Hello. It's a 5-minute walk wherever you need to go, but it's so peaceful and quiet. I think that's hilarious right there. There's like a little flower growing right in the middle of the driveway, and they just drive over and leave it there. But I'm definitely gonna get my steps every day, and I'm definitely gonna detox every day because it's hot. Ay, ay, ay. Alright. I'm actually like starting to remember where I'm going because I know if I go that way, it takes me to the 7-Eleven. Local, and she's got stuff for sale over there. I haven't bought anything over there yet. I came here to the night bazaar here in Chiang Mai still to get a few things that I need for my next trip next week. And I am way overwhelmed. There is so much here, so much food. Unbelievable. I'm gonna turn you around this way. I just drawing like a picture of somebody's photo, and then I'll walk you down the road just a little bit. Alright, give him that photo. I'm just gonna draw that photo. I already came up that side. Now I'm going down this side. Hmm.
왜 지금 이제 이 정도
Ah. Not a weekend. I'm just slightly overstimulated like a toddler. It's been to Disney World all day long after being at the night market. But what's even more crazy is it is dark and I'm just wandering through alleys, which I never on the planet thought that I would ever be wandering in alleys in the dark by myself. But I have entered a whole new world. So I'm just embracing it, going with it.